Okay, so today we're going to learn how to do the flash transition, which has two types and is kind of popular on social media right now, like this video. So let me not waste your time. Let me hop into DaVinci Resolve so I can show you how it's done. So now, first thing first, we need to duplicate the clip that we want to perform the effect in, and we need to go and make it a freeze frame. So generally, 2 frames is enough for this effect. So we're going to go and cut at here and remove the other frames. Extend it to 2 frames, bring it over here, and we're going to go to the Fusion page. So here in the Fusion page, the first thing we need to add is the magic mask, and we're going to connect it, put it on the other side of the page, and mask out the object or the subject that we want to use. So whether it's fast or better, it doesn't really matter because of it's a very fast effect. So we are just going to skim through and make sure that everything is okay. So now that is done, we need to add the merge node, and don't add the magic mask after adding the merge node. You need to wait a little bit. Add the background node in and select white as your color, because most effects usually use white for this. It depends on your creativity. You can use any color that you prefer. Then you need to add the magic mask back into this. So now, originally this is okay for me personally. You can add glow or thereabout, but this is just okay for me. Then we need to add another magic mask, because despite this looking like this, it has not been maxed out. The white effect of the flash effect has not been maxed out. So we need to add another magic mask and connect it down. Add another magic mask and connect it down with the media out. So now let's see how it looks. Now we need to add this to complete the mask out so that it will be appearing, it will have like an alpha output, that will have an alpha output. So now when we go back and we need to the masking has completed. So you might add a glow or whichever effect that you like or you see online, but so far so good. This is okay. What is just needed is just a little bit of sound effect, and you can be able to sell it. Now there is also another flash effect that is also trending, and this one is equally easier. So all you need for this is to go into the effect tab and write a fusion composition in, and you need to reduce this. Like I said initially, 2 frames is enough for usually flash effects. And we head over to the Fusion page. Here we are just going to add a simple background, and we are going to turn it to white, and then because of in most effects is half flash, it's not a full flash, it's half the flash. So we are going to add a rectangle, and these are the settings that I use. I want it to be half, so let's complete it, and we are going to reduce this. I think this is okay. So we are going to come over here and move this towards this direction. So yeah, currently this is okay. So when to place, it's going to be very fast. Most transitions, you sell most transitions using sound effects. So this is it already, and generally for this particular this is the left flash, so you can just copy it out and also go back to the Fusion page, and you can go over here and push this towards this side and you have the right one.
So yeah, that is the effect. It's easy to use in your videos and also in your reels, vlogs, or whatever. It's just an easy transition to do. So yeah, use in your next video. And guys, if you find this video useful or informative in any way, please like and subscribe. I really need to get up to 500 followers by the end of the year, and I need your help. Anyways, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.